My name is Gitansh Gandhi and I am Ashwani Deswal International Certified Relationship Coach. Today I am here to share my life transforming experience of Relationship Coach certification offered by Ashwani sir. I was expecting some major self-transformation through this course so that I can improve and sustain my relationship. I was blown away by the wisdom which Ashwani sir shared about relationship, and the way he brings it itself had a very powerful impact for me. And not only this, in the beginning of the course only, I realized that by putting the right kind of efforts, an individual can significantly enhance the quality of a relationship. This itself was so empowering for me. This certification is the biggest turning point in my life. While taking decision to become a relationship coach, I felt like, yes, this is the thing I always wanted to do. And this course reaffirmed my clarity about this. My level of self-awareness and self-confidence has significantly improved. I gained the ultimate understanding about relationship, which I feel is invaluable till date. 3 unique things which make this course the most effective course internationally. First, practical exposure. Every coach gets an opportunity to take sessions of real life clients to apply the tools learned in live training. This practical exposure helped me gain confidence initially to take sessions. Second, small groups. Live training used to happen in small groups, which helped me get answer to my countless questions. Third is dashboard. I used to learn from Ashwani sir daily. Apart from live training, I enjoyed dashboard a lot. I realized this a long time ago that I came to the right place. I have met my guru in Ashwani sir. I still remember those days when I used to bunk my hostel to attend his trainings. I have traveled a long journey with him since my school days to now serving as a professional worldwide. It is a privilege and honor for me to be his student as he chooses his student. And I feel so blessed and grateful to meet him at such a young age, which can't be expressed in words totally.